Hi, I'm Ernel Legua Nazareth, 17 years of age, residing at 212 Lota Norte, Malvar, Batangas, Philippines. I am second-year college student, taking up Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Electronics Technology at Batangas State University, JPLPC Campus, Malvar, Batangas. I am the second child of Mr. Ernelito Nazareth and Antonia Nazareth. I have a brother and two sisters. I am well trained by our institution in designing schematic diagram, soldering, and assembling components. I enjoy playing guitar, playing basketball, surfing the net, and watching movies like Transformer and Terminator. Because I believe that this is related to my field of specialization. I believe that these skills that I learned in my institution will give me the knowledge to perform better in this on-the-job training. With this, I'm hoping that you will be hiring me as the one of your trainees in your large and reputable company. Thank you.